This one says addition review, chapter 2. It says read each question and then fill in the correct answer. To the nearest 10, what is the estimate sum of 35 plus 149? So I need to round to the nearest 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, here's the tens place on 34. Moving to the right, what does the 4 say? So the 3 stays the same, and replace this 4 with zeros. Okay, plus. Here's the tens place. Am I working with a 1 yet? No. I'm going to put it right here. Looking over to the right, what does the 9 say? So what's 1 plus 4? 5. And replace the 9 with 0. So now I have to add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So my answer should be,
180.
which is C. Okay. 2, you have to do the same thing. It says, how many calendars did the school sell altogether? Hold on. Look at number 2, though. Does it say to estimate? Does it say about how many? No, so I don't have to round on that one. I just have to add. Okay. So number 3, it says in 15 minutes, Samantha can do 22 math problems, and Eric can do 26 problems. 26. How many math problems can they do together? The whole homework, it's addition. Okay. You have to estimate though. No, so I just have to add the numbers. 22 plus 26. Okay. The key word here is altogether. So when it says altogether, I need to add. Do I see the word estimate? No, I don't. So just go ahead and add the problems. On number 5, you got to add again, but there's a key word that tells me what to do first. Anybody know? No. About. I see the word about. That tells me I need to round first. So it looks like I'm going to round to the nearest hundreds. So here's a 100th place, which is 0. Am I working with a 1 yet?
No.
Am I working with a 1 yet?
No.
Looking over to the right, what does the 2 say? The 0 stays the same. We replace each 2 numbers with?
0.
Okay. 675. What number's in the 100th place? 6. Looking over to the right, what does the 7 say?
Add 1.
So what's 1 plus 6?
7.
And replace each 2 numbers with?
0.
And then I add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So my answer is B. For 1 through 7, and then the other side of the homework, okay, I'm adding. If I see the word about or estimate, I have to round first and then add. This is additional review. Okay, find each sum. Obviously, any number plus 0 is going to be that number, right? So 0 plus 125 would be 125. Is it associative or identity?
Identity.
Whenever I see a 0, it's going to be identity. Okay? And then number 2, whenever I see the parentheses, it's going to be associative. All right? If I look at 3 and 4, what do I have to do first? Round. Here's the key word right here, round. I have to round first. Okay? 34 rounded to nearest tens would be 30. And 7, is it closer to 10 or 0? 10. Just add 10. So where it says find each sum for 5, 6, and 7, do I have to round anything? No. I just have to add. That's all I have to do. Number 8, 9, and 10, it tells you what to round for. So number 9, I need to round to the nearest tens. Number 9, I have to round to the nearest hundreds. And then number 10, I have to round to the nearest hundreds as well. So look at number 13. Do I see the word about? No. It says, how many total minutes did she walk her dog? So just add all the three numbers. Number 14, do I see the word about? Or estimate? No. So just add the two numbers. Okay? However, 15 and 16, what do I have to do first? I have to round first because it tells me it gives me the word about. It's about how long will he have studied all in all. About how many containers of yogurt did they sell altogether. So I have to round to the nearest hundreds for 16 and round to the nearest tens for number 15. Now look at this one. It says place value review. We've done this before. Number 1 and number 2 says choose the standard form of each number. So I have 6,305 ones. Okay, will that be A? No, because that says 600. A says that I have 600 sixes. Okay, I have 6,300s. Any tens?
No.
So what number do I use to replace that? 0. And then 5 ones. So the other one that looks like that would be B. 2, 3, 3, and 4. After which number is written in and expanded form correctly? 5 and 6. The number that's underlined. What value is it? So number 5, I have 4,532. What value does a 5 have? But look what I just said. I said 4,532. What value does a 5 have? 500. Just say it out loud. And what number do you say when it comes to the number that's underlined? 7 and 8, you need to put the numbers from least to greatest, from smallest to biggest. However, 9 and 10, I do the opposite. Greatest to least, biggest. 11 and 12, 11 says who has the most numbers, most points, and then find out which number is the biggest. Who bite the least number. Least means what? The smallest. 13, 14, and 15, I just have to round. Okay? And then look at 16, it says to the nearest $10. So I have to round 46 to the nearest ones place. So, sorry, to the nearest 10, sorry. Tens. So 16 says round 46 to the nearest $10. So here's 46. What number's in the tens place? 4. Look at the number to the right. What does 6 say? Add a 1, so it's 1 plus 4. 5, and replace the 6 with 0, so that would be 50. Same thing for number 17, but they tell me to run it to the nearest $100. Okay, what number's in the hundreds place? 3. What does the 2 say? So you look at the number to the right, that tells you whether you add a 1 or it stays the same. So the 3 stays the same. And replace the other 2 numbers with? And for this one, all I have to do, again, it talks about place value. Number 1, which is standard form for 462. Standard form. Expanded is when you have the zeros and the plus signs. I don't want that one. And it's already in word form, right?
Yes.
Okay, so number 1, which one would it be? Tell me. B, yeah. This is standard. This is expanded form, and obviously this is word form. Okay. Which digit is in the hundreds place? So I have 3,518. What number's in the hundreds place? 5. 5. 500 would be what is the value. They're not asking what's the value is. They're asking what number is in the hundreds place. Obviously, when I rate the number out loud, 3,518. What number's in the hundreds?
5.
Just 5. Number 3, which one is written in expanded form correctly? Number 4, put the numbers in order from greatest to least. That means biggest to smallest, right? Okay, round 5,421 to nearest hundreds. Okay, put these in order from greatest to least. So that means biggest to smallest. Yeah.